Currently, we have 11 units of CNC laser stainless steel iron plate cutting machines. These machines produce high-quality cuts with minimal distortion, ensuring even and attractive appearances. They offer high cutting speeds, which means great efficiency, low cost, safe operation, and stable performance. Moreover, unlike traditional cutting machines that are only suitable for square cutting and tend to have lower efficiency, these machines can irregularly cut into various shapes. Impressive Flame, a Chinese fireplace manufacturer, offers products like electric, bioethanol, and gas fireplaces, along with mantles and accessories. All products comply with international standards. We provide customized services, including OEM and ODM, and have our own design capabilities. Our efficient manufacturing process ensures quick and reliable delivery by sea or air freight. Interested? Leave a comment or visit our website. We respond within 12 hours, ensuring your information remains confidential.